Timeless Beauty is a magical elixir for the skin, promising to reinvigorate its youth, plump and restore elasticity. In this engaging plot, ingredients play enchanting roles, creating a singular narrative of beauty. UMF 12 plus Mānuka honey emerges as the skin's guardian, defending it from invisible villains known as free radicals. Full of antioxidants, this honey becomes the hero that protects the skin from premature aging. Vitamin E, a trusted ally, joins the battle, providing extra defense against the signs of time. The real magic happens with the introduction of Citrustem. This ingredient, like a benevolent sorcerer, works behind the scenes to increase the production of collagen, the magical substance that gives skin firmness and elasticity. He is the charmer who smooths fine lines and wrinkles, orchestrating a visible transformation. Applying Timeless Beauty is a magical ritual. By touching clean skin with your fingertips, an enchanted process begins. The gentle massage is a delicate dance, allowing each ingredient to play its role in the symphony of beauty. The skin seems to absorb the magic potion, rejuvenating itself. On this skincare journey, Timeless Beauty becomes a trustworthy guide. It not only corrects the visible signs of aging but also prevents future challenges. It's like having a map to the fountain of youth, where your skin reveals a smooth, radiant complexion. Each application is a page turned in a storybook of beauty, and the story that unfolds is a celebration of time well lived. Fine lines and wrinkles are chapters from the past, witnesses of a unique journey. Timeless Beauty, by rejuvenating, tells a story of renewal and resilience. UMF 12 plus Mānuka honey is like a comforting hug for the skin, with its sweetness and antioxidant properties. It is the supporting agent that makes the difference, nourishing and protecting the skin in a delicate and effective way. Vitamin E, like a loyal squire, supports this embrace, strengthening the skin's resistance against environmental challenges. Citrustem is like a skilled conductor conducting an orchestra of renewal. Its ability to increase collagen production is a symphony that elevates skin to new heights of elasticity. The gentle notes of this ingredient harmonize with the skin, creating a rejuvenating melody that resonates across the surface. Using Timeless Beauty is like following a sacred ritual. Applying with your fingertips is like playing a soft melody, connecting directly with the skin. The gentle massage is like dancing with the stars, allowing the magic to happen. It's a moment of transformative self-care, where every movement is an expression of affection towards your own skin. In short, Timeless Beauty is more than a skincare product, is an enchanting journey towards timeless beauty. With ingredients that play unique and complementary roles, this rejuvenator is like a fairy tale for the skin, where each application is an exciting chapter. When you use Timeless Beauty, you're not just applying a product to your skin, you are participating in a magical celebration of your own timeless beauty. Product link in comments.